Hi guys, so I've had a few people ask me how to log on to Flocabulary. So open up your computer and you'll go to www.flocabulary.com and it will look like this. You will hit login and then come down here to login with Office 365. It will give you a little pop-up box to go ahead and log in with your MNPS credentials, so your email address and password, and it will go ahead and sign you on in. Then you are going to be looking for this week types of rocks. You'll click on this first one here and you will go through the video, the vocab cards, the vocab game, the read and respond. There's a quiz to make sure you know those vocab words, and then your Friday check-in is the lyric lab. And here you can see the lyrics I wrote earlier and did my rock rap on Instagram. So that is how you access your Flocabulary. Hope this helps. See you guys soon. Bye!